Hello and welcome to Module 2. Let's start with a question. A data journalist has been assigned a story. How vulnerable are Asia-Pacific countries to climate-related disaster? Her source has sent her a dataset. But right now, all she has are numbers. She has one key question. Which country faces the highest gap between disaster risk and its ability to cope? And is the average gap score even meaningful? Or are a few extreme cases distorting it? That is exactly the work of descriptive analytics, summarizing and describing what a dataset contains, not predicting. Just answering honestly, what does this data show? And that is what this module teaches you to do. To understand this better, let's take a look at a dataset which covers 15 countries across 3 dimensions with an assumption that all indicators have equal weights for demonstration purposes. The dimensions are hazard, exposure, vulnerability, and coping capacity. Each dimension is scored from 0 to 10. Open the dataset in Excel or any spreadsheet tool now. Before you calculate anything, you need to read and understand it. One should follow the following 5 steps before running a single formula. Step number 1. Count. Use Ctrl and End to find the last row and last column. Does it match the dataset description? If you are on Mac or working on any other operating system, please refer to the guide for shortcuts which is available with the video. Step number 2. Read column headers. Go through every column name carefully. Don't assume the meaning of codes. Refer to the definitions and indicators provided. Step number 3. Check the data indicators or dictionary. Review how each variable is defined, including units and limitations. What looks like an error may be valid and important. Step number 4. Scan for gaps, identify missing values, flags, and inconsistencies like text versus numbers. These can break formulas if ignored. Step number 5. Connect to the question. Focus on what the analyst is trying to answer, whether a blank entry is missing data or intentionally done. Strong analysis starts with understanding the data, not jumping into formulas. After the 5 steps, the journalist can now answer a narrow version of her question. What the dataset can tell her? It can rank 11 countries by their risk capacity gap. It can show the range from balanced countries to those with severe gaps. What it cannot tell her? Cannot explain why coping capacity is low in any country. And it cannot represent the 4 countries which have missing data. A missing value does not mean low capacity. It means there might be a lack of information. Confusing the two would lead to incorrect conclusions. This difference between low and missing values is critical and will appear throughout the module. So far, she understands the dataset, but not the full story yet. To go further, she must handle missing data correctly and study how the data is distributed. That's why this comes before going into summary statistics. Do remember, if this step is done wrong, missing data can distort averages. Let's explore more in upcoming units. See you there.